Alright, hey, what's going on, guys? So, I know I haven't updated in a little while, but, basically, it's November 3rd, November 3rd. Got all these leaves. I actually just mowed the lawn, I think Wednesday. See that? You remember there used to be a tree right there. Okay, so here's the story. So we got this big storm, and basically what had happened is, because there's all these rocks in the ground, there isn't really that much of good soil for the roots to really get down in there. Therefore, all the roots go more out, which is why when this tree fell in the storm, it took and rolled up all this turf. Now, oh my God. It's actually been pretty warm for a couple days and allergies have been getting bad, but if you can see, this part of the lawn's really dying. That's because this tree fell and was sitting here for 5 days about. And that's why you see all this junk over here. Basically what had happened is we were cutting it. It was all rolled up, and then we decided, it started coming back up, so we decided to pull it. We pulled it, and that's basically what it is for now, although I don't know how long that's gonna last. But anyways, in case you haven't noticed, these trees and these trees are the exact same, but these have maintained a lot better growth. They've grown a lot higher, while this one hasn't. And we figured that out because it doesn't have a very deep root system. Actually, the roots are going straight out while those are going down, which is why those trees didn't fall in the storm. This one did. So I'm gonna get that taken care of. Anyways, I gotta go do some leaves. My garbage cans are full, so I'm gonna have to see what I can do with them. Put them somewhere, mulch. I could probably put them in those trees in there. Compost. Yeah, let's get to work. One thing I want to mention is I got this little rake here, and I haven't thatched my lawn this year because I didn't think it was that bad, and it's not, but there are a couple areas where I really want to loosen it up, so I'm going to go ahead and rake this, do a little bit of raking, and then we'll go ahead and sweep it up. Okay, so a couple of things I wanted to mention. So I just did a little bit of thatching, and I ran into this white stuff on the grass. I don't think I mentioned this before, but I've got a powder mildew fungus over here under this tree. I gotta figure out how it's caused and how I can get rid of it. This looks like a ton of powder. Basically, I've got white grass under this area. Can't really tell because of the leaf coverage, but you can see there's a whole lot of it right there. And once you're over here, it's really noticeable. So I gotta get that. Just want to show you a little bit of what I pulled up, which I think I should dethatch this. Because there's some grass in there, but there's a lot of this thatch. So what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna rake all the leaves up into a pile over there. I'm gonna get the dethatcher out. I'm gonna start thatching this. Problem is, I don't know where to put all this stuff. So I might have to wait to do the dethatching part, but I can definitely get rid of these leaves. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. All right, not 100%, but the leaves are gonna come back, and this weekend I'm gonna mow the lawn again anyway. Yeah, so you saw a little bit of action with the ES250. Awesome machine. 1 year review, I give it a thumbs up. It's the best heat blower I've probably ever owned. It's better than the older PP250 model, since you can do the vacuuming. It's really good. You know, there's some times where you don't want to be carrying a backpack blower around, and this thing just has a lot of power. So I'm gonna come out with a review now because it's fall. I'm gonna have a review on all my blowers. 1 year reviews, 2 year reviews. So yeah. I also have to do a follow-up review on this one. And yeah. That's it.